With me today, I have my students today, more aspirants, Karan Shah, Riya Parmar, and Risha Kotka. Once being a backbenchers, today at the front line, leading various positions with various firms on this couch with me. Thank you so much, guys, for joining it. The point of today's session is to understand that you guys have a lot of similarity, that you're now working with some of the very, famous top-ranked accounting firms, finance firms. And having said that, the commonality is that you have become ACCA, or almost you have become ACCA. So I want to understand each of your experiences. पहला job रखकर, पहला job लेकर, were you too nervous? Were you too excited? What was your emotion? What was the moment of emotion at your end?
So when I got my first job at GT, I was obviously very happy because not only getting a job, but getting a job at a top 5 company. So it was an emotional moment for me too, and my family mainly, because my dad always wanted, always any parent is emotional with their child getting their first job, and I'm their only child. So obviously it's a very happy moment, very emotional moment. Yes, it was a proud moment too because it was a big five company.
For me, it was like a dream to work at a big four. So yeah, I was really happy. After I didn't believe that I got in this, but it was possible because of ACCA, because they approached me because of this course, and they literally called and said that I'm interested in.
Was it like आपका profile already was shared?
No.
Then could
Talent acquisition approached me in my LinkedIn.
right, your LinkedIn. Okay.
When I got my first job, it was in QX Global, and I was like very excited for that. Mainly due to the thing that because of my salary increase first of all, completely, being honest. And the second thing that I always wanted to do something in the big accounting firms, big accounting company. I know QX Global is the well-recognized company over the world.
Right.
So I'm very excited. I'm still working, so I'm very excited for that.
Although यार लगता है कि after doing ACCA, the job market in India is not very matured, and as an institution, we can receive so many profiles of employers who are looking for ACCA. But it always is essential to understand whether the reality is also same at the consumer end, that you are almost to become ACCA. Karan, आप ACCA के पहले you got into GT India. You're about, I think, 1 or 2 paper away, and you're still working with EWASH. And Rishabh, you also become an ACCA affiliate. So, and you got into QX before you became an ACCA affiliate. Goes after you became an ACCA. So, and what is your view? I mean, क्या ये सच है कि इंडिया में अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत कम है ACCA के लिए? Is it one amongst like 10 employers looking at ACCA? Is the market still dominating the traditional qualifications which were there in the market? What is your view?
No, correct. To be honest, ACCAs are now well recognized over the world. So there, as you know, India is also becoming the hub of the FDIs and the international companies.
Right.
So international companies, rather than hiring CA, the typical CA of India, they are preferring the ACCAs for their works, because the ACCA knowledge that we have, it's of the global level, of the international level. As we have the IFRS in our curriculum, SPL, which is for the strategic thing, conceptual thing. So the company prefers the ACCA over the CA. Sometimes in the MNCs, in the international companies, yeah. If we talk about the domestic companies that works only in India, then they prefer CAs more rather than ACCA. But for the MNCs and the international companies, they are preferring ACCA.
Karan, आपका क्या experience रहा when you got when you were browsing across companies like GT? Were they looking at CAs more or any other qualification more, and you probably requested, or rather you pursuing the employee that you are ACCA to take you in, or were they specifically looking at ACCA qualified people? What was your experience? कैसा रहा?
For me, I was scrolling through LinkedIn for finding a job and everything. So I just found GT specifically looking for ACCA students newly pursuing or affiliate students as per their training plan. As they say, they were looking for students who are actually becoming ACCA, and that's how I got. And I am not of the viewpoint that CAs are preferred more than ACCA, because I feel now ACCA is also a global market and it's also growing in India right now. So we will not have that mindset that they only want ACAs, being the traditional chartered accountants of India. It is now growing for ACCAs, and there are opportunities which are coming to the market.
Maybe one thing like that, जब you are almost to become an ACCA qualified, what is the source of hiring? Because बहुत लोग ही कहते हैं that they are struggling after becoming ACC, not able to find a job. And many students that I speak to are like you guys have not had a very tough time, have got to a great career opportunity with good firms. So what have been the sources of getting great opportunities? Has LinkedIn proven to be a very good platform? LinkedIn को भी leverage कैसे कर सकते हैं to network with the like-minded employers over there? Did you find any strategy out there, tricks and tips that you would like to share across?
I never did. I keep it.
What about you, Riya? आपने हर LinkedIn, you said LinkedIn के जरिए. So what was your breakthrough moment over there? I mean, how you get?
I usually post like when I pass my any exam, I post it over there. So and I don't know like how they approach me, maybe because of that tag ACC over there or something. But I got the
Have been a consistent
like posting it.
person who's been posting on LinkedIn. You bring sharing your stories, your success, your challenges out there.
Well, if you are like looking for a job, just put it over there that you are looking for a job. So people will refer you somewhere, or when you're looking for a job, they just click it and everything. So it will help.
Karan, आपका क्या understanding है?
Yeah, I would say LinkedIn is a very good platform because
But did you get through LinkedIn?
GT, yes, I got through LinkedIn because I've seen employers and managers at firms posting about positions that are opening at firms that they're working. Likely at GT, the head HR had posted regarding the opening, and that's where through I got an understanding of the hardest opening, and I had actually applied to it. The link he posted, and yes, LinkedIn is very good because you can approach people, you can message them also. So I feel like helps you to network and get to know more people.
Absolutely. Riya, you have been a student who's done her graduation and the embedded degree, of ACCA. While Karan, you and Rishabh have done, ACCA separately as part of the parallel pathway while pursuing BCom from, the non-accredited colleges. Has it been different for you guys? I mean, yeah, I want to understand because many students find that अगर हम ACCA करते हैं and we claim exceptions, that is an kind of an negative approach on your CV. It doesn't give you that kind of an credit, if you are an exempted student with some papers when it faces the employers. While the reality is that you're still studying all the papers. So what is your view that? Was it difficult for you to find did employers comment on that exception while in the interview or in the resume, or was it something
For me, they didn't question it. They just asked like whether we had any exemption or not. So I had clearly stated that I had 2 exemptions. And if I'm doing IB Com. So it is an integrated course. So we are studying the subject. We are not giving it an ACCA exam for it, but we are studying it in our semesters and giving the exam and all. So we have a clear knowledge about whatever we are studying from CE knowledge.
Right, good. मतलब ऐसा नहीं था कि when you were in students who had gained exceptions, you probably were not, or you were restricted in a certain way with them. Nothing of it, right? Okay. So because बहुत बार ऐसा लगता है students को that exception means that कि हम पढ़ने नहीं वाले. But the reality is that कि exception means that कि वो paper already आपकी integrated है with the Mumbai University, and that makes it easy for you. Karan and Rishabh, was it difficult to manage ACC along with the sideline graduation degree of BCom and other colleges that you did your graduation? Was it too messy managing your semesters, exams, and ACC papers side by side, or after BCom?
I did it with BCom, but for me it was not difficult at all because I had a priority of giving ACCA papers and clearing it on my first go. So that was my priority, I knew, and not the BCom degree. Anyways, I was lucky enough to not have any exams clashing by each other. So I had enough time for preparing for my ACCA papers and my BCom papers.
Something that you find that because of the flexibility that the ACC offers, or because of the kind of number of exam attempts that the qualification has, was it something that worked in favor of you in terms of passing those papers, or was it nothing of your sort? I mean,
I feel the number of attempts, like having 4 attempts in a year, does give you a comfort that if you are even skipping one attempt, you're not waiting for a long period of time. After the next 3 months, you'll have another attempt too. For me, it happened in March 2024. where I felt my college was ending and I did not want to give an attempt that time because I wanted to enjoy the last days of college and not take holiday into college. So I had skipped one attempt and I did not get that regret because I knew I'm skipping the March attempt, but I'm getting it in June again. And it's not a long period to wait of 6 or 1 year, 6 months or 1 year.
What about you? Now, while about skipping the attempts, I have first skipped only one attempt because I was not prepared for it. It was my SBL paper, and it's very convenient to have this kind of this kind of exam structure where you have 4 exams, 4 exam attempts in the year. So it was very good for me. Like for the SBL particularly, it was a difficult paper for me, and I was very sure that it wasn't going to be completed in 3 months. So I took it for the 6 months, and after the 6 months, after the 6 months of the preparation, I've did very good in the SBL as well. So it is very convenient to have the flexibility that the ACC offers.
How much of the skills that you garnered in your classroom, the sessions at Simplan, going through the ACC curriculum, have you been able to apply it, within the job market, at your desk, at your positions? Kitna skills जो हमने gain किया है? Is it something which have made you apply in the real market? What is your view?
The skills that ACCA gave is like the conceptual thinking. First of all, we have to be very conceptual for preparing for the ACCA exams. So they say conceptual thinking, and it very much helped in the job market. But in the job, they don't see your theoretical knowledge. They see how you apply the knowledge you have. So this is the very basic thing we must have, and this helped me very much in acquiring the job in the QH assessment.
Karan, ऐसे कुछ रिया Karan, Riya, that any specific skills that you felt that you applied, that you learned in the classroom perspective, which actually gave you that kind of kickstart to building a better impression with your immediate manager or with your colleagues out there?
Say the soft skills or the workshops that we had at FinPlan. So there we learn about the Excel, advanced Excel, which is like the most important thing at corporates, right? So that helped me while my
Skills, yeah.
yeah. So even for job they have one round for Excel and all. So yeah, it helped us like those workshops helped us in our work.